How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin, back with another video. I'm here at Rick's garage, his workshop.
It's a mess.
Yes, it's a mess. He's been helping me out with the black walnut trim and the mini barnuminium. And once you have a pretty decent sized YouTube channel, you start getting these emails, people wanting you to review their products. So we have a couple high bay lights here. These are from Amazon. Let's see. I'm going to give you a little specs on these and give you a little more close up on them. So I'll get you in here and we'll show you what one of these lights look like. And as you can see, we don't have much light in here. We only have one row of lights through the center. I'll give you a few of them. So I asked them if they could send us out a couple lights and see how they work over the workbench. And we're about to find out. So let me show you what kind of lights we have now. Ricky's just got one row of lights going down the center there. It looks like he's got 3 8-footers there with double bulbs. And where we're working, there's just not very much light at all. So let's go up here and let's check out these lights that we're going to put in. Okay, these are the lights that they sent us. Now these are 5. Now it says 5,000 K on them. Now I'm not sure what that means. Rick, you know what that means? I know they're 200 watts because it's marked on this one down here. 5,000 K. What the heck's that mean? Do you know?
I don't know if that's lumen or whatever they call it.
Okay, and then it has beam angle 60, 90, or 110. Ours says, on this box down here, it says 90. So it's like running a 200 watt light bulb. And it's going to give you 90 degrees coming out. So these basically just hang. And I'm going to show you, we have this one out of the box, and I'll show you what the light looks like. Honest, when I first seen these, they tried to get me to do a review on these a while back, and I didn't feel that the garage at the Rusty Rooster was actually tall enough, because I really don't have a high bay. And Rick here, you got what, 14-foot ceilings? He's got 14-foot ceilings, so these lights should work really well in here. And we have 2 of them, so we're going to go ahead and set them up the easy way. Now this is one. Now these are waterproof lights too, so I suppose that you could use these outside if you wanted. Say you had a pavilion or something, or I'm not sure if I would hang them directly in the water, but I don't know. I think you probably could, but I don't know if I want to chance it. I'm just saying they do say they're waterproof, and they look like they're very good construction. Very heavy, really heavy light. So what we're going to do now is we're going to work on putting each one. He has a receptacle about right there in the ceiling, right there. And we're just going to stretch the cord because we're just going to plug them in. You can plug these in and they'll work right off of the lights that are already up there. So when we turn them on, you're going to see them lights and these lights at the same time. But all we have to do is put a couple eye hooks in the metal up there through the rafter. For the truss, we'll just put an eye hook and we'll hook it right on here, and this light will hang straight down just like that. So we're going to go ahead and get started on getting our hooks set up and getting these put into place.
Make sure you check all your OSHA current regulations.
So these, I guess, are pretty simple to put in. All we're going to do is drill a hole and put an eye bolt up in here. Actually, it's like a lag bolt, but it's an eye bolt, right? How do you say that? Just an eye bolt.
Just says hook. Screw eyes.
Screw eyes. We're just going to put these up here so we can hang our light off of. Does it matter what direction?
No, it's right.
Can you get that one up to me? think our scaffold's a little bit too high. Okay, when you put them on, there's just a little safety hook, a little safety bolt in there. In case wind starts blowing this thing, it won't blow it off, come down and smack somebody in the head. Hopefully we didn't go too far.
I was going to say, I hope that cord reaches.
See, Kevin don't like heights.
Look at that last one.
Which one? This
Last
one?
one, yeah.
Okay, we're gonna have to turn the camera off. So we're gonna go ahead and put the other one in, and then we'll come back on, and then we'll show you guys what it looks like with these lights on. So you're gonna have to wait. We're breaking OSHA rules right here. Okay, Ricky. Up a little more. There you go. That's good. All right, that's after we got the two lights hung up. Definitely a lot more light than what we had. Now we can see on the tables. Now this is a 60-foot garage. I do honestly think that we could use 4 more of these lights in this garage. I'm gonna say if you got a 30 by 60, at least weighs 6 of these lights will do that very well. And you really need that high bay, because the higher that light is, the wider it goes out and the more light you're gonna get off of it. As you can see the workbench from before and after, there's a big difference in that. I know we had been working down here, Ricky and I, and we were making black walnut trim for the mini barn dominium, and it was really hard to see. So I do think that this is going to help out a lot. All right, when you get your lights, there's going to be a piece here that comes with your light, and you also get some cables here if you want to hang that light down a little bit lower if your ceilings are really high. So they do give you all the hardware you need to mount these up. Now, one nice thing is you don't have to hardwire these. You can just plug them into an outlet, which makes it really nice. Most all your garage lights now you just plug in. You just put your outlets on a switch and then you turn them on and off. But I really honestly think these are really nice lights. They got a 5-year warranty on them. I'm going to leave a link in the description down below for Amazon. You guys can check these out. As you see in this video, big difference in light. We should be able to see really good on this table. There's one more thing I want to show you before we leave this video. So this is the kind of project Ricky likes to do in his garage, and we need lots of light to be able to see what we're doing. And I do honestly think, as you can see on the top of that table, how nice that is, the light going off of it. You can see just about anything you wanted. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Until next time.